Lamphang ka Ïing Dorbar thau an ka Jylla Thomas sangma Pyndep ba ka jing Pyndep ya ka Ïing Dorbar thau an ka bathamai ka Jylla kala banlong Hapoh Shisnem ba menta habakren bat kinong tho kubor Lamphang ong bakikam kilayat wat ladon katukan ni ki jing ke bomla ban kier ong baka jing penku ya ki basa na ka jing klem udom na tunum pelun ban ka jing menjur ya ki design jong udom bathamai kila deblun menta bat ki kam kalaya chakman Thomas banram namar baro kitu ki jing ya ki bajia namar ka jing rai ki kwa shu banbu ya kum kini ki jing ma Lamphang Pyndep ba ka jing penyeng ya udom bathamai ru kala sedang bat ulaya thu ru bakala don ka jing pen kala rei uday bakam steng ka design ka barem ka balakia hadu lai hajar metric ton shu ulaya thu baka project kalamat ya ka jing kiodor na ka shispa sau phuwai klur balamang menshwa menta ka jing mang kala kiu shaka arspa klur.
Status of the ongoing construction of the assembly building, sir?
The progress is there, but I don't know whether because there are some technical issues which we cannot avoid, and I see that there's some technical issues, as I said earlier, which takes time, like clearing the debris, then going for the getting the approval of the designs, the new designs. But all that have been completed now, so the work is started already.
So the construction of the new
construction
dome
will be over?
Within a year. I hope so, within a year.
So when will the construction?
But I don't want to do it in a hurry because all those incidents that happen. I don't want any kind of because of hasty decisions. We don't want. I don't want to risk any more incidents. So
But
we're going to finish it. At least within a year, we should be able to do it.
what about
Provided the weather permits. Because as we know, Shillong, we have all the 4 seasons in a day, so it rains anytime, the work stops.
what about the funds for construction of this new assembly building?
Funds are already been approved. The new re-revised estimate has already been approved.
Sir, the high-powered committee headed by you had already approved the new design for the dome. So when do we expect the construction will start, sir?
It already started, actually. It is already started because we were awaiting the approval for the design structures, the foundational structures, designs which has to be vetted by both the Roorkee IIT and Guwahati IIT, which has already been vetted and approved. Slightly modified design, but it is lighter. The earlier design was weighing about, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 3,000 tons. Now it's been reduced considerably.
Sir, last time you have given the company to clear all the debris by April 15. So have these debris been cleared,
the
sir?
debris have already been cleared. The work is already started.
So there was an effort to find.
But has been approved by the High Power Committee, and the re-revised estimate has already been also accepted, and work is already started.
Sir, please tell us the cost estimate.
Was not in favor of cost escalation. Previous HPC under Lamphang said that the company agreed to have the same expenditure, and the previous HPC was not willing to hike.
There are so many technical, issues involved. For example, the structural area has also been increased. The floor area, the construction area was earlier smaller in size. Now it's become bigger. So, which justifies, for the cost escalation also. It's not because of the time involved factors, the cost was escalated. It's because of the expansion of the area, construction area. Structural area was also become bigger.
So how much is the revised cost estimate of the project?
I am not aware of the, I can't remember the exact cost estimate, but it's, I think, 200 crores plus.
The additional 200 crore.
No, the total cost. It was about 147 earlier, 141. Now it's gone up to 200.
Thank you.